DIY plumbing installation common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Improper connections. Connecting two different kinds of pipes calls for proper coupling between the two in order to prevent corrosion. Tip: make sure that your pipes are connected carefully. Mistake number 2. Leaving water on. Interesting fact: plenty of DIYers forget to turn off the water before starting a plumbing project. Tip: make sure the water is off. Mistake number 3. Installing cabinets before choosing the sink. Tip: choose a sink that fits the location of the pipes and involve the cabinet installer in the process. Mistake number 4. Failing to take measurements before buying. Tip: with your current toilet in place, measure from the wall to the bolt cap. Take these measurements with you to the appliance store. Mistake number 5. Creating a perfectly level shower floor. The shower floor must be sloped at the masonry level before any inserts go in. In opposite situation, the whole tub or shower floor has to come out again. Before beginning a DIY project involving your plumbing, consider leaving it up to the experts.